What makes a person Buddhist? For some people, the word Buddhist may trigger an image of a vegetarian Buddhist monk with a shaved head and a serene smile. But there are Buddhist monks who eat meat, who have long hair, who may not be looking so peaceful. There are also many different Buddhist schools and a variety of teachings and practices. What exactly makes a person Buddhist? Technically, it is said that somebody who takes refuge in Buddha, Dharma and Sangha can be called a Buddhist. What it means is that, you take Buddha as your teacher, because Buddha, if you don't take Buddha as a good teacher or as your teacher, as somebody who can teach, then, there is no Buddhism, or you can't follow Buddhism. And then, because of that, then you study, you really want to study the Dharma, the teachings of the Buddha, and try to practice whatever that you can, whatever you understand or know that it would be useful and helpful for yourself and others. And you make a decision to try to study Dharma as much as possible and try to use it on yourself. Let's take refuge in the Dharma. And then, in order to do that, where do you get Dharma? You get Dharma from people who are genuinely practicing Dharma and who has experience of the Dharma. That's Sangha. Sangha is very broad. Actually, the true Sangha is those who have actually liberated themselves through the practice of Dharma. These are real Sangha, what we call Arya Sangha, sometimes Noble Sangha or Liberated Sangha. It is difficult to find those maybe nowadays or any time, and we don't know actually who is that. So therefore, anybody who is genuinely and have studied Dharma and genuinely trying to practice them, and that we can get inspiration and some teaching from them, that is Sangha. So I decide to study Dharma and get influenced by those genuine Dharma practitioners. If I do these three things, then I could call myself a Buddhist. But from Buddhist point of view, whether you call yourself a Buddhist or whether you kind of believe in Buddhism or Buddha Dharma is not the most important. The most important thing is how you behave, If I am not doing too much negative things, unwholesome deeds, and I'm doing more positive things, wholesome deeds, even if I do not even know Buddha or have not heard about Buddha, or I don't call myself a Buddhist, but actually from Buddhist point of view, you are practicing Dharma. So there could be, there can be many people who are practicing Dharma, but they don't call themselves Buddhist, or they don't even know that they are practicing Dharma or Buddhism. And you could call yourself a Buddhist and you do lots of negative things, you make lots of, wrong things, and, then you might call yourself a Buddhist, but you are not really, from Buddhist point of view, a real Buddhist, So it's really, it's very personal. It's very, inner thing, So I don't think one needs to too much worry about whether I am a Buddhist or not. You just do whatever you can, understand the Dharma and practice it. Thank you.